In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to open an Incognito session in Google Chrome. To do so, open Google Chrome, select the three dotted menu on the top right corner, and click on New Incognito window. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and N simultaneously to launch an Incognito window. The black overall theme indicates that you've gone incognito, allowing you to browse more privately. However, this doesn't change how data is collected by websites and services they use, including Google Downloads, bookmarks, and reading list items. Chrome won't save your browsing history, cookies, site data, or information entered in forms. Your activity might still be visible to websites you visit, your employer, school, and your internet service provider.